Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you liked my previous video about Muscovies. If you have not, please go and see the video again. So today's topic is about Cochin Bantam chicken. So let's start. So let us discuss about Bantam chicken. Bantam chicken are all ornamental chicken, that is for show. These chicken do not grow much in size, but they are very beautiful to look at. There are different colors, different textures of these chicken that are available. Currently, I have white, fully white and fully black Bantam chicken. These chicken don't grow much in size. They are not even heavy. Maximum the weight of these chicken is around 1 kg, and the eggs are of also a very small size. So friends, this is my group of Bantam chicken that I have. These are all white and there's one black female that I have. So as you see, the male is not that much in a height, and he has feathers on his legs too, on his feet too. I'll be showing you up close right away, but just for your scene. Now we get two types of females over here, one which has a cap and one which does not have cap. So most of my chicken, they do have caps on their head. So like any other ordinary hen, even the Bantam chicken requires the same food, same care and same precautions as we take for the other chicken. So the food is not even different for them. What we feed here is grains, vegetables and also feed, poultry feed. We have made such arrangements for them where they can go and lay their eggs. We have kept some perching sticks for them because they like to sit high up and sleep at night. The male chick gets to his adulthood by the age of 6 to 8 months. So does the female. And post 8 months, they start laying their eggs. The first clutch that they lay is usually not fertile. So you have to wait for them to start with the second clutch. And when they start with the second clutch, that is the most fertile eggs that you get, and they hatch a lot. I'll be showing you the eggs and the chicks in a while. Here Ronit is catching one of my female Bantams that is there. She's a very beautiful female with a nice cap on her face. If you see, her eyes are right below here. So she has a nice cap on her head. The tail of the Bantam chicken is not much big. It is all bushy. And their feet have feathers too. So this is one of the female that I have. So this is the second type of Bantam chicken that I have, in which the female does not have any cap on her head. And she has a mane, half mane like this. Now to identify a pure Bantam chicken, the eyes are completely black. If you observe, the eyes are completely black. Even here we have nice feathers on her feet, and again the tail is bushy. So this is the second variant that I have of a female which does not have any cap. Now this is the third variant of the female that I have. Her feathers are like fur. I want to take her inside way. Again same, they have feathers on their feet. So yeah. So this is black variant of Bantam chicken. She is also a female. She is of the cap variety. Just have a look at her cap. It's very hard to identify her eyes over here, but her eyes are right below here. Sometimes the cap grows so big that you need to trim it little so that she can see the food and eat. Again, a very good quality with feathers on her feet and bushy tail. So here, so this is a male bantam chicken that I have. Like any other rooster, he has a comb on his head, a nice comb, but look at the feathers on his feet. They are nice feathers on his feet, a lovely tail which is not at all long, it is just bushy. So this is a lovely tail that is there. Show me, give it in my hand. There. Like any other chicken, the age of the male bantam can be identified by the long nail that he has on his feet. So I have made such arrangement for them where they can go and lay their eggs. So if you just see, there's an egg that is freshly laid over here. And this is my female with the cap. Oh, she's going out here. And this is the egg that has been laid in. For you to get a good quality of eggs, you should always keep some hay or some soft material below the eggs so that the eggs don't crack when they are laid. So guys, these are my bantam chicks that I have. They are of different ages as they have hatched differently. So the elder ones over here, which are little bigger in size, are around 20 to 25 days old, while the younger ones over there are around 5 to 6 days old. So if you observe, even the chicks have their feathers on their feet. So if I go close enough, that is a male chick that just fell off. You can see make it out by his comb that is there on his head. This is also a male chick. This is a female chick. These are very small, just 2 days hatchlings. So that is why they are very cute. This is a day-old chick. I usually hatch all my eggs in the incubator. I will be showing you the hatching process and the entire artificial incubation process. I usually don't go for the bantam chickens to sit on their eggs because then they get very weak and they die. So currently I have so many chicks with me. Let me show you the eggs of bantam chicken. They're quite small as compared to the normal chicken that we have. So let me show you. So these are the eggs of bantam chicken. So if you see, I have few eggs over here which I've still not put in the incubator. So they're quite small in size, oval in color, slight creamish. So just for a comparison, I'll show you a normal chicken egg that is there and a bantam chicken egg. So if you see, there's a lot of difference. It's almost twice the size of a normal chicken. So this is normal chicken egg, and on this one is the bantam chicken egg. So as normal chicken take around 21 days to hatch, so does the bantam chicken. Once the chicks are hatched, they do have the feathers on their feet from childhood itself. So that is the trait of a pure chicken that is there. I do have few eggs that are incubating in my incubators over here. The process of incubation, we will discuss it later as and when. Show you some Bantam chicken eggs that are incubating in my incubator. These are the eggs which are of Bantam chicken that are incubating. I will tell you the process of incubating of the eggs in general later on. So that will be another video that will come up. So these I have kept on 30th of November, and there are few more eggs over here which I have kept on 23rd of November. So friends, this is what I have to say today about Bantam chicken. So kindly like, share and subscribe to my video. Bye bye for now.